Potatoes are the main staple for people all around the world. These are easy to grow and store well for winter eating. The problem is there are so many varieties, and selecting the right variety for your garden can be a little tricky. Get the wrong variety and you may not get any potatoes to eat. So today I'd like to share with you 2 decisions you will need to make to select the right potatoes for your garden. Alright, number 1 is length of season. This is your first consideration. Potatoes come in determinate and indeterminate varieties. So the determinate type will put on 1 set of tubers, and that's all that it's going to do. It is considered an early or short season potato, and it will be done making potatoes in 70 to 90 days. Now an indeterminate potato will put on a set of tubers at each joint. They will take up to 110 to 160 days to make potatoes, and these are called late season potatoes. These potato plants, you can keep burying the stems, and at each leaf joint you will get another set of tubers. For those of you that have a really long growing season, you can grow the indeterminate type and keep burying the stems to get more potatoes. Number 2 is growing location. All potatoes will need a minimum of 8 hours of sunlight. So if you are growing in the ground or in a barrel, then you can grow determinate or the indeterminate potatoes. Now if you have limited space or are growing in a 5-gallon container, then the determinate types are best for that small container. If you're wanting some new small early potatoes, you might want to plant a patch of determinate, the early season potatoes, that you intend to harvest early in the season. Then you could put in another patch of determinate potatoes and let those go to maturity for a late summer or fall potatoes. And if you have a long enough growing season, you can put in a patch of indeterminate or late season potatoes for long-term storage. So be sure to keep all the potatoes well mulched so the sun doesn't turn the tubers green. Green potatoes are poisonous. So here's a list of the top 6 determinate potatoes. These are the short and mid-season varieties: Yukon Gold, Norchip, Norland, Purple Viking, Red Gold, and Adirondack Blue. Okay, so the top 6 indeterminate, the long season potatoes are Russet, Desiree, German Butterball, Nicola, Carola, and Nakota. If you want to learn more about growing potatoes and vegetables, you can jump into our High Performance Garden Show. There are over 300 episodes for you to learn from. It's free, it's online, and you can find it on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. There's also a link in the description below.